Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Amazon shipping and billing addresses. In this tutorial we will explore whether the billing address and shipping address can be different in Amazon. Firstly, let us understand the concept of billing and shipping addresses. The billing address is the address associated with your payment method, such as a credit card or bank account, while the shipping address is where you want your order to be delivered. To answer the main question, yes, the billing address and shipping address can be different in Amazon. This is particularly useful for people who want to send gifts to others or have their orders delivered to their workplace. To set a different shipping address on Amazon, follow these steps. Start by signing in to your Amazon account and navigating to the checkout page. Click on the Deliver to a different address option and enter the shipping address you want to use. You can also save this address for future use by checking the box that says Save this address. It is essential to note that Amazon may request additional verification if the billing and shipping addresses are different. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized transactions. In such cases, you may be asked to confirm your identity or provide additional information to verify your account. To avoid any issues with your order, it is crucial to ensure that both the billing and shipping addresses are accurate and up to date. You can do this by regularly checking and updating your address book on Amazon. In conclusion, having different billing and shipping addresses on Amazon is a convenient and secure way to manage your orders. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily set a different shipping address and enjoy a seamless shopping experience on Amazon. Remember to always keep your addresses up to date and be prepared for potential verification requests to ensure a smooth and hassle-free transaction.